Hello friends, welcome to Embedded Sparks. In this video, we will be seeing about pull-up and pull-down resistors. So let us get started. When we say about digital pin state, we may think of high and low state or 0 and 1 or 0 volt and 5 volt. But apart from these two states, there is another state called the floating or undefined state. So when the digital input output pin state is high or logic 1, then the pin voltage is close to supply voltage. When the digital pin state is low or logic 0, then the pin voltage is close to ground or 0 volt. The third state, which is the floating or undefined state, where the pin voltage fluctuates due to noise or impedance mismatching. This floating state has to be avoided. Then we may get a question like, why should we need to avoid this particular floating state? That is because random voltage fluctuations can trigger unintended behavior, which causes unpredicted operation of a particular task that they are intended to do. Second, because of the continuous toggling between the high and low states, that is between the 5 volt and 0 volt, there is increased power consumption. So then we might think like, what is the solution to this issue? The solution for this is to use pull up or pull down resistors. So let us see what is pull up and pull down resistor. We know that a resistor is an passive element which is used to limit the current. So a resistor is being connected between the microcontroller unit digital pin, that is GPIO, general purpose input output digital pin, and the supply voltage. So on talking about a pull up resistor, it is being connected between the pin and the supply voltage. So by default, the pin will read high state. When the switch is being pressed, then the pin will read low state. This is about pull up resistor. And talking about pull down resistor, the resistor is being connected between the pin and the ground. So by default, the pin will read low state. When the switch is pressed, the pin will read high state. By this, we can avoid the floating state in the beginning, where we can either set the pin to high with the help of pull up resistor, or we can set the pin to be low with the help of pull down resistor. So that's about this particular concept. Thank you for watching.